Namaskara. Today I am in one of the vaccination center of Harvard. So here the COVID campaign is going on. So the people who want to take a vaccination are here. They are in the queue. And we have our COVID warriors also who are just taking care of the people. And many people I know in the queue, I know many people in this queue. And they are here to take the vaccination. And only thing is, I only request the people to have a social distancing. That will be very helpful to you. You are taking vaccination, plus if you keep the social distance, that will be very helpful. But we are maintaining the protocol of the society as well as the government also. We have a long queue. Particularly today, the vaccination is only for the first line workers and the COVID workers. We have a staff here who are giving the vaccination. The people are here for registration. And I would like to ask a person like, please tell me your name, madam. Yeah. Madam, I want you to tell the people that vaccination is compulsory.
Yes, of course. Now it is very useful.
Okay.
So everybody is going ahead, everybody is getting. So where it is, every office will get started. So it is better to have a vaccine.
So to fight against COVID-19, vaccination is compulsory.
Correct.
Okay. So there are rumors that the people who are spreading negative about this vaccination, what message you want to give to them from your side?
No, it is not rumor. I won't say it is rumor. It is like, the people are thinking it is not necessary to take it.
Okay.
And they are got scared of not to take it.
Okay.
But I feel there is nothing to scare about. And there is no negativity about the whatever vaccine we will take it. It's better to take it and so that every Indians will go ahead whatever we had earlier.
So you are saying that this vaccination is safe,
Yes, of course it
and
is safe.
there should not be any negative approach towards the vaccination.
Nothing.
And only with vaccination we can fight against the COVID, right?
Correct.
Okay. So thank you, madam, and I wish all of you the best of luck. And my best wishes are with you on this occasion of the largest vaccination campaign which is happening in our country. Actually, we have given around 35 crore of vaccination till now. So this is the largest one. So I only request the people, those who have not taken the vaccination, they have to come to the vaccination center and take the vaccination. That is how we can fight against the COVID-19. And we have one more COVID warrior over here who is taking care of the people. Only thing I request the madam saying that she needs to maintain the social distance. Yeah, here one more madam is there. Only I want to ask you a question. What's your name, madam? Huh? Okay. Soumya, do you think vaccination is compulsory?
It's better actually if we get
I
vaccinated.
want you to speak loudly.
If we get vaccinated, it's better, right? We have antibodies to fight against the virus, right? So that's what
Okay, it's necessary you are saying to fight against the COVID-19. Okay. Yeah, one of the gentlemen is here with us who is standing in a queue to take the vaccination. Sir, what's your name?
Nishant.
Huh?
Nishant.
Okay, Nishant, there's a lot of negativity has been spread in previous days about this vaccination, and those who have spread the rumors, they are taking the vaccination, but they have spread the rumors about vaccination. What you want to say about it?
There is nothing to get scared about. So if everyone takes vaccination, it benefits everyone. So we don't need to spread fake messages in WhatsApp and all. It will be safe for everyone in the future as well.
So you are decently saying that that to take the vaccination and they should also be safe, and the people who say they are leaders, they have to what you say, encourage the people to take the vaccination. That is what you want to say, right?
Yeah.
So thank you. We have a lot of people standing in a queue to take the vaccination. We'll speak to the last person and then we'll end up the video. Here we have a lady who is standing in a queue and wanted to take a vaccination. Hello madam, what's your name?
Pratika.
Yeah, Kritika, you say that vaccination is compulsory. And you can completely speak in English, right? Or you want to talk to me in Kannada? You can talk, right? Yes, is it compulsory to take the vaccination? Okay. Fine. Here one more lady is there. Madam, this message will be uploaded in one of the important sites. Only the concept of making this video is that we want to create awareness among the people that vaccination is very much compulsory. If you want to free our country from the COVID-19, vaccination is must and they have to take it and it's necessary also. So what message you want to give to the people through this video?
I would like to tell them that it is very necessary to get vaccinated because if you get COVID also, even after getting vaccinated, it will be helpful for you to recover faster.
All right. This point is very important. This point is very important, and thank you for sharing this important point. This lady told that if you take the vaccination, that you'll be more stronger to fight against COVID. And if you get infected of COVID also, then the severity will be very less. So that is what you want to tell, right? Okay. Thank you, madam. Thank you. Here today I have spoke to the people who are there in the queue to take the vaccination. They are very positive in mind. These all people are the fighters against the COVID-19 and they want to free our country from the COVID-19. And I wish all these people on this occasion, I wish them a best of luck for taking the vaccination. Thank you.